Hello, everyone. This is Isabel. I'm at Capacity Europe 2024. And today I'm joined by a good friend of mine, Felix Seda, is General Manager at NJFX. Felix, welcome to my HOTShot.
Thank you so much. Oh, pleasure to be here.
So, Felix, a lot of people are talking about data centers at the moment in the industry. What are the main trends around data center?
AI. There's a massive boom in AI, and that's becoming very prevalent in our industry. And what we're seeing is there's two components of AI deployments, right? So obviously, what we're seeing right now is the machine learning aspect of it, and you're seeing people scrambling for 30, 40, 50 megawatt sites all around the world for that. But then there's the other aspect of AI, which comes later, right? There's once all that data is trained, it needs to come back to where the eyeballs are and requires a lot of connectivity. And that's where we see ourselves as NJFX being a prevalent component of that. Obviously, the convergence of infrastructure and connectivity becomes very important once all that takes place.
So, Felix, what are the key challenges and opportunities in that space?
Well, first and foremost, the challenges is really the infrastructure piece, right? So everyone just thinks about space and power, and that is a key component of the challenges that we're facing in terms of AI deployments. However, it's not just the space and power aspect, it's actually the infrastructure in data centers. They're not built for what we're seeing today. In terms of AI deployments, uh, the racks that we're seeing for edge AI nodes, you're seeing 120 kW per rack, right? Data centers that were built in the past were not meant for that type of capability. So cooling is actually going to be the biggest component in terms of challenges, right? Because standard air cooling is not going to be sufficient for that. It's going to be liquid cooling solutions. And a lot of the data centers that we see today can't be retrofitted for that. So that's going to be a key component of that, but we'll see how it goes. We're already involved with a lot of key vendors in terms of liquid cooling solutions, and we're exploring those possibilities now. In terms of the opportunities, again, it's the connectivity piece, right? So once all of this takes place in terms of the data being trained, it's gonna need to come back to where the eyeballs are, and requires a lot of connectivity. And so locations such as NGFX that are highly interconnected are going to be key places for edge AI deployments.
So, Felix, you know I like hot gossip. Give me some hot gossip.
We have always been a key connectivity player with subsea cables landing in our facility, highly interconnected, but we also have data center infrastructure. So we are going to market now with a 7.5 megawatt data hall for the purpose of an edge AI deployment node, right? And again, connectivity is going to be super important for that. So we think we're in a good place, and hopefully we can get a few interested customers who can take advantage of that and take advantage of AI.
It's a good hot gossip. Thank you very much. Thank you for a great interview, Felix.
Of course, thank you for having me.
Everyone, thank you for watching, and until my next hot shot.